Digital Marketing Crash Course, Pay-per-click, PPC, Advertising. Introduction. In the world of digital marketing, pay-per-click, PPC, advertising is a powerful tool that allows businesses to drive targeted traffic to their websites and generate leads or sales. By strategically placing ads on search engines and other online platforms, advertisers can reach their desired audience and pay only when their ad is clicked. Let's explore the ins and outs of PPC advertising and discover the top techniques that can help you maximize its effectiveness. Chapter 1. Understanding PPC Advertising. PPC advertising is a model where advertisers bid on keywords relevant to their business to display their ads on search engine results pages, SERPs, and other platforms. It offers immediate visibility, precise targeting options, and measurable results, making it a popular choice for businesses of all sizes. Example story. The success of PPC advertising. A small e-commerce business was struggling to generate traffic and sales despite having a high-quality website. By implementing a PPC advertising campaign, they were able to showcase their products to potential customers who were actively searching for similar items. The targeted approach and compelling ad copies resulted in a significant increase in website traffic and a boost in sales. Chapter 2. Top 12 PPC Advertising Techniques. 1. Keyword research. Identify relevant keywords with high search volume and low competition to optimize your ad campaigns. 2. Ad copy optimization. Craft compelling and relevant ad copies that grab attention and entice users to click. 3. Ad extensions. Enhance your ads with additional information, such as site links, call extensions, and location extensions, to increase visibility and user engagement. 4. Ad scheduling. Schedule your ads to appear during peak hours or when your target audience is most likely to be online. 5. Geo-Targeting. Target specific geographic locations to reach customers in specific regions or cities. 6. Remarketing. Display ads to users who have previously visited your website, increasing the chances of conversion. 7. Display network advertising. Extend your reach by placing ads on websites within the Google Display Network, reaching a wider audience. 8. Landing page optimization. Create dedicated landing pages that align with your ad campaigns, providing a seamless user experience and maximizing conversions. 9. Ad testing. Continuously test different variations of your ads to optimize performance and improve click-through rates. Center. 10. Conversion tracking. Implement conversion tracking to measure the effectiveness of your campaigns and identify areas for improvement. 11. Negative keywords. Exclude irrelevant keywords to ensure your ads are shown to the most relevant audience. 12. Bid management. Set and adjust your bids strategically to maximize your ad exposure and achieve optimal return on investment, ROI. Summary. PPC advertising is a powerful digital marketing strategy that allows businesses to drive targeted traffic and achieve specific marketing objectives. By understanding the core principles and implementing effective techniques, you can optimize your PPC campaigns and achieve desirable results. Remember to conduct thorough keyword research, craft compelling ad copies, and continuously monitor and optimize your campaigns to stay ahead in the competitive digital landscape. Poem. In the digital realm, PPC takes the stage. Driving targeted traffic, engagement with a wage. Keywords and ad copies, the stars of the show. PPC advertising, making businesses grow. Song. Verse 1. In the world of marketing, PPC shines bright. Targeted ads, reaching customers just right. Keyword research, the foundation we lay. Crafting ad copies, grabbing attention every day. Chorus. PPC, the digital marketing game. Driving traffic, success is its aim. Ad extensions, scheduling, and geo-targeting too. PPC techniques, helping businesses break through. Verse 2. Remarketing to those who have shown interest before. Display network advertising, reaching even more. Optimizing landing pages, a seamless user flow. Testing and tracking, improving as we go. Bridge. Negative keywords, filtering out the noise. Bid management, a strategic choice. PPC advertising, a powerful tool we embrace. Driving results, bringing businesses to grace. Chorus. PPC, the digital marketing game. Driving traffic, success is its aim. Ad extensions, scheduling, and geo-targeting too. PPC techniques, helping businesses break through. Outro. In the realm of digital marketing, PPC prevails. Driving growth, unveiling new sales. With strategy and precision, we navigate. PPC advertising, a journey we celebrate. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?I. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.